How to add Python extensions on Visual Studio Code. If you want to write coding in Python language on Visual Studio Code, then follow these instructions to install Python on Visual Studio. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio on your laptop. Then click on Launchpad and find and open Visual Studio Code. After you open this app, you will see this welcome page, and here on the left side you can see these different options. Click on this last option here which says extension. Then on the search bar type in Python. Now you can see different options here. If you want to download Python extension, click on this Python option here. And after that, click on this install option. It may take some time to install this Python language, and after it has been installed you can see these different options, and by that you can know that it has been successfully installed on Visual Studio. So this is how you can add Python extension on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.